Hello, good evening. I am Rashi Sandeep Chodiwal. Today's date is 11/10/2021. Our today's video topic is string. So, in today's video, we are going to see what is string and what is the types of what is the ways to create the strings and many more things we will see. So, we will start with our today's point, that is string. In Java, string is basically an object that represents a sequence of char values. An array of characters works same as Java string. For example, char array ch equals to in curly braces in single quote welcome, and string s equals to new string in bracket ch is same as string s equals to double quotes welcome. Now, Java string classes provides a lots of methods to perform operations on strings such as compare, concat, equals, split, length, replace, compare to, intent, substring, and etc. The java.lang.string class implements serializable, comparable, and char sequence interfaces. So, the char sequence interfaces is used to represent the sequence of characters. String buffer, and string builder class implements it. It means we can create string in Java by using these three classes. Now, the Java string is immutable, which means it cannot be changed. Whenever we change any string, a new instance is created. For mutable string, you can use string buffer and string builder classes. We will discuss immutable string in after some time. Now we will see what is string in Java. Generally, string is a sequence of characters, but in Java, string is an object that represents a sequence of characters. The java.lang.string class is used to create a string object. Now we will see how to create a string object. There are two ways to create a string objects. First is string literal and second one is by new keyword. Now we will see first string literal. The Java string literal is created by using double quotes. For example, string s equals to double quotes welcome. Now, each time you create a string literal, the JVM checks the string constant pool, that we can say as SCP. First, if the string already exists in the pool, a reference to the pooled instance is returned. If the string does not exist in the pool, a new string instance is created and placed in the pool. For example, we can say string s1 equals to double quotes welcome and string s2 equals to double quotes welcome. It does not create a new instance in second time. In the above example, only one object will be created. Firstly, JVM will not find any string object in the value with the value of double quotes welcome in the string constant pool. That is why it will change or it will create a new obj. After that, it will find the string with the value double quotes welcome in the pool. It will not create a new object but will return the reference to the same instance. Like string objects are stored string objects are stored like string objects are stored in a special memory area are known as the string constant pool, that is SCP. Why Java uses the concept of string literal? To take Java more memory efficient, because no new objects are created if it's existing or exist already in the string constant pool. Now the second way is by new keyword. In such case, JVM will create a new string object in normal, or we can say as non-pool heap memory, and the literal double quotes welcome will be placed in the string constant pool, that is SCP. The variable s will refer to the object in a heap, and that is non-pool. Now we will see one example, like we have created one class that is string. In that main method we have created string s1 equals to double quotes Java, that is creating string by Java string literal. And next is character char 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 ch array equals to curly braces. In that single quotes we have written strings. And next is string s2 equals to new string bracket ch, converting char array to string. And next is string s3 equals to new string in parenthesis double quotes example, creating Java string by new keyword. And we will sys out one by one. Like in sys out we will give s1, next sys out we will give s2, and next sys out we will give s3, and the output will be Java string example. So thank you for today.